reliability, the Magic Drill DRX will revolutionize drilling. Now, with an expanded drill lineup, the Magic Drill DRX has 4 key advantages to change conventional drilling operations. Advantage number 1, the new twisted coolant hole design. This new twisted coolant hole design increases the flute space of the internal cutting edge by 1.6 times, thus providing increased chip evacuation while also increasing the coolant volume by 1.25 times. The second advantage is the introduction of 3 new chip breaker types to conquer various types of drilling problems and a wide range of work materials. The GM chip breaker for general use, the GH chip breaker with a strong edge for hardened materials and interruptions, and the SM chip breaker for deep drilling and low cutting force. The economical Magic Drill DRX insert with 4 cutting edges per insert has 2 inner pocket cutting edges and 2 outer pocket cutting edges. The outer edge breaks the chip with a wide chip breaker, and the inner edge makes longer chips by using the flat chip breaker. The result is greatly improved chip evacuation for a superior surface finish. Advantage number 3 is a new Megacoat grade lineup to cover a wide range of work materials. Megacoat PR1230 for steel, hardened materials, and interrupted cutting. Megacoat PR1225 for stainless steel and low carbon steel. And Megacoat PR1210 for cast iron machining. The fourth advantage is a balanced cutting system for more precise drilling and an improved surface finish. The lineup expansion of the Magic Drill DRX includes cutting diameters ranging from 12 to 60 millimeters and drilling depths of 2D, 3D, 4D, and 5D. This increased drilling lineup gives you a Magic Drill DRX for nearly every drilling application. The Magic Drill DRX is the first choice for stable and efficient drilling.